Hi, I'm Diane Macedo. The defense is trying to dismantle a key witness in the Karen Reed trial. Jennifer McCabe was with Reed the morning she found her boyfriend's body in the snow. Reed's accused of hitting the Boston police officer with her SUV outside a house party. The defense says Reed simply dropped him off at that party. Now she's back on the stand as the defense tries to cast McCabe as part of a cover-up. ABC News Live weekend anchor Phil Lipoff and ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer are here to break this down for us. Phil, they've been digging through these text messages this morning between McCabe and some other people connected to this case. Give us the update.
So I'm not a legal analyst, which is why Brian is here.
Leave that part to Brian.
But I will say, as an observer, Alan Jackson, and these are live pictures from inside the courtroom, Jen McCabe still on the stand. Alan Jackson, who is the defense attorney, has done a pretty good job at mucking up the waters. He's brought up text messages from Jen to her friend, to her husband, and the other people who were in that house, talking about, what have you learned? This is the morning after, when they're still all in shock that their friend was found dead in the snow, and they're talking about, tell the media that the guy never went into the house, which is something the defense is accusing them of. Karen says, I left him, he went into the house, I never saw him alive again. Now you have this group chat, tell the media the guy, not John, their friend, the guy never went into the house. This is some damning testimony.
Brian, what do you think when you hear these answers, especially given how Jennifer McCabe testified when she was being questioned by the prosecution, that Karen Reed was hysterical, that she said repeatedly, I hit him, and so on. This is supposed to be a star witness for the prosecution. What do you make of now the under cross-examination?
Whenever a defense attorney has the opportunity to cross-examine a witness and has the rest of us guessing, who is this person testifying for, that's a win. As a defense attorney, you're looking at this from multiple aspects. You're looking at the individual questions that are happening when you have those bombshell kind of text messages that outline, tell him to say this. And you're asking her questions of like, well, this person is directing you to do something, and she's going to push back. That's one aspect of it. You're also seeing the body language that she's giving. You're hearing the actual testimony that will come in transcripts at the end of the day, but you're also thinking about, how do I put this all together in summation to really drive home the theory and the idea that this is a conspiracy and she's part of it.